but godverdomme. Hi. I just asked you in my stories about this package from Beauty by Zara, and I asked you if you would like. Oh my gosh, I don't know why, but every time I am filming a video in which I actually talk, which I normally don't, it is raining outside, and it annoys me. Never mind. I asked you in my stories if you would like if I take you with me while I'm unboxing my Beauty by Zara package, and you said yes. So let's go. Okay, I will put you here. Unboxing time. I always order my products at Beauty by Zara because they have very good shipping rates for Europe, and they have everything that I use for my hair. And I live in the Netherlands, and not all the brands that I like are available here in the Netherlands, and well, shopping online is my favorite thing to do. Ready. I ordered different brands, some brands that I already, well, let's put it here. Some brands that I already use, and some brands that are new for me and I really wanted to try. One of them is this one. This is Q-Med Biologics, and I really like natural brands that are only using natural ingredients. And this is the Alma and Olive Heavy Cream. It's a leave-in, and they say well, I'm very curious. I will keep you updated. And this one is the Moringa Tree Conditioning G. I don't know how to pronounce it. G. Yes, it's G. I like to cook with G, so I'm curious if my hair likes it as well. But the ingredients are very good. And also this one, I will let you know in my stories. Let's see what we have next. The Jamaican black castor oil and a long name shampoo from Sheamoisture. I really love this shampoo. You have already seen it in my favorites video. This one really cleans my hair, and it was quite hard to find a shampoo that really cleans, because a lot of shampoos and co-washes didn't clean enough, so I will end up with a lot of buildup in my hair, and you don't want that, because it really weighs down your hair, and your hair can get really frizzy, and the product cannot penetrate the hair anymore. So good shampoo, very important. And the next one is favorites, the DEVACURL Super Cream, and I think I'm using this one for almost a year and a half now, and I can't live without it anymore. Since now it is summer, I only use a tiny bit because it is quite moisturizing. I love it. It gives my hair a lot of definition. I really notice a difference when I'm using another leave-in, because I am using it as a leave-in. I really notice a difference. It is a leave-in but also a styler, so it gives a lot of definition. It's also very nice to use it as a refresher. And let's see. Well, another one. Oh, here I have the DEVACURL Wave Maker, and I know I do not have wavy hair, but it really works for curly hair as well. It is a texturizer, I think. Yeah, texture whip they call it. It does give your curls a lot of grip. It makes it a bit, how do you say it, rough. And I really like it. I do not like my curls to be very soft and silky, because then I do not have a lot of volume. And this one It gives me volume and definition as well. I really like to mix it with the super cream. Now that it is summer, I use more of this one comparing to this one, but I always make a concoction and love it. And here I have the Ultra Defining Gel. I have used this one when I started to try the DEVACURL gels, but I do like the Archangel more, but it was out of stock. So I will compare this one to the Archangel gel, and I will let you know in my stories on Instagram. And let's see what we have here. Another wave maker. I always buy two because I like to have a new one when I run out. So it's just for safety. So here I have 2 bottles of the Set 3. I didn't like this one when I first tried it, but then I gave it another shot and I really liked it. At first I sprayed it on my hair and at the roots, but that really didn't work for me. So now I spray it in my hands and I mix it with a little bit of the Super Cream or Blue Clam. I really like that brand as well. And then I refresh. It works wonders. It has a lot of glycerin in it. Yes, it is the second ingredient. It's a car outside. I live in the city, in the, how do you say it?
Well, I don't know who I was asking because there was nobody in the room.
In the center of the city, and it's always very busy here, so sometimes you can hear cars and everything driving by. But the second ingredient is glycerin, so it makes my curls very moisturized. And the next and last is the Q-Med Biologic Castor Oil and Moringa. It's a serum. Let's check the ingredients. Again, it's very pure. It's only oils and a little bit of citrus as preservative. So I think I will use this one as a scalp massage treatment, which I do every night, or as a hot oil treatment. We'll let you know. The box is empty. What I do wanted to share with you is that Beauty by Zara is the only company in Europe that is selling DEVACURL products for normal prices. For example, Super Cream, it was, I don't know the price in euros, but in pounds it was about 22 pounds, which is nearly the same as the $28 you pay in the US. So I really like that. And all the other retailers here in Europe are asking crazy prices. So when you want to buy DEVACURL products, go to Beauty by Zara. I will put a link down in the description box for you. Hope you like this video.